Gar firdosh baruye zami ast, hami asto, hami asto, hami ast. If there's a heaven, it's right here. This video is for those people who stand out in the crowd, who believe in the concept of extraordinary living. Welcome to Supreme Villaggio, where modern living embraces the charm of countryside serenity. Just imagine waking up to the sound of chirping birds, the scent of fresh air, and a view that feels like a portrait come to life. Located in Somatne, West Pune, this project is perfectly connected yet blissfully removed from the city hustle. It's near the Gahunje Cricket Stadium. Your international airport is going to be just 50 minutes. The Hinjewadi IT Park is again just 15 to 20 minutes from the project. You have a lot of lifestyle and essential options that would be easily accessible from this project. For example, the Zion Mall, High Vision International School, D-Mart, Pavna Hospital, all of this is maximum 20 minutes from the project. And the upcoming Eon IT Park and World Trade Center Wakad will be just 20 minutes from this site. Working for the past 40 years, they have delivered around 70 plus projects in Mumbai and Pune. Their philosophy is based on integrity, innovation and trust. Every project that they craft speaks about their elegance and it gets the highest rental returns and price appreciation in the entire vicinity. And that is why high net worth investors and high profile clients trust Supreme Universal. Based on the concept of resort living, this project is spread across 16 acres and has 65% of open space. I am standing right now on the Grand Clubhouse from where you can have beautiful panoramic views of the mountain and the view of the central boulevard. This project offers a long list of amenities like a swimming pool, kids play area, pet play area, senior citizen area, party lawn, banquet hall, butterfly garden, mini golf course and a lot of other things. This project offers exclusive townhouses and villas and the carpet area starts from 2400 square feet. Today, I will be taking you for the tour of a 5 BHK show villa. So come along with me. Welcome to this beautiful villa. This is going to be your entrance and now I will take you inside. As you enter inside your beautiful home, this is going to be your grand living room. You can have your sofa set here, sit and have a beautiful time with your family members. This is the place for your TV unit and now this is the extended version of the living room. अगर family members वहाँ बैठे हैं तो you can sit here with your guests. यहाँ गपशप कर सकते हैं आप and this is your attached balcony. घर में बहुत ही beautiful views रहने वाले हैं and now we will move towards the amazing layout वाला kitchen and dining area. On my right is the kitchen and on my left is the dining area. Dining place भी बहुत ही अच्छा है, amazing. यहाँ पर आप 8-seater dining table लगा सकते हो and you will be having the common washroom right here, your powder room. यहाँ पर आपको amazing fittings मिलने वाली है, good tiling work मिलेगी and this is your central island. अगर फैमिली मेंबर्स वहाँ बैठ के खा रहे हैं तो आप यहाँ पर अपनी कटलरीज रख सकते हैं. You can put your beautiful cake stand right here and this is your गुड एंड ब्यूटीफुल किचन. एक पॉइंट बहुत ही अच्छी है यहाँ पर कि किचन एंड डाइनिंग एरिया दोनों में ही विंडोज हैं तो क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन रहेगा आपके घर में और बहुत सारी सनलाइट आएगी और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जिस घर में सनलाइट रहती है उस घर में बहुत ही पॉजिटिविटी रहती है. This is your utility area or you can make it your pet area. यहाँ पर आप अपने pets के लिए cute सा bed लगा सकते हो and this is your private elevator, a very luxurious feeling. आपके खुद के विला में एलिवेटर रहने वाला है guys. It's amazing है ना? Let's go to the first floor now. I am here at the first floor. On my left side is the first bedroom and on my right is your working place and kids bedroom. Let's go this side. This is your magnanimous first bedroom, the size of a master bedroom. Take inspiration from this layout and this interior. Live life king size का definition ये layout है, ये घर है. And this is your amazing balcony. यहाँ से आपको beautiful views रहने वाले हैं of the central boulevard. Your swimming pool is visible from here. Panoramic views रहेंगी. Amazing ventilation, good sunlight. वैसे तो इस घर में हर कुछ highlight है, but have a look at this, a beautiful bathroom. This is so amazing. Good tiling work, glass partition. इतना space है कि कुछ भी creative कर सकते हैं आप यहाँ पर. And your walk-in closet, a lot of space for a lot of clothes. And this side is your balcony. This is your running balcony. ये connected है आपके other part of the floor से, which is your working place. So let's go and have a look at that part. This is your working place. You can style it as an entertainment room also, but you can make it your study room or your working place. Keep your desk and chair here. You can also make a bookshelf right here. place some beautiful lamps in the room को थोड़ा अच्छा वाइब देने के लिए. And now this is going to be your kids bedroom. बच्चों के लिए तो आप इसको बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो. कबर्ड के लिए प्लेस है, यू कैन पुट ब्यूटीफुल वॉलपेपर्स. अगर लड़कियां हैं तो यू कैन कीप योर पिंक थीम बेस्ड रूम कर सकते हैं आप इसको. अगर बंक बेड लगाना है उसके लिए भी यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेस. एंड योर ब्यूटीफुल स्लाइडिंग विंडोज इन द रूम एंड योर अटैच्ड वॉशरूम once again has a lot of space. बच्चों के हिसाब से it has a lot of area. shower space separate है. you'll be getting good tiling work once again all over the house. flooring is going to be really nice. your floor to ceiling height is going to be really nice, and the house is Vastu compliant, so that's a very good point. Let's go to the second floor now. Now I will take you to the amazing beautiful bedroom on this second floor. This side is going to be your humongous bedroom once again. Take inspiration from the design and the layout. You can style it the way you want. It has a lot of space. Now this side is your balcony. Once again you will be having beautiful breeze, the sound of the chirping birds, beautiful views of the panoramic mountains. अच्छी sunlight, sunrise enjoy कर सकते हैं आप यहाँ से. mood अच्छा रहेगा when the beautiful sunrise hits you in the morning, keeps your mood light throughout the day. This once again is your huge attached washroom. Spacious बोलना is not the justification. Once again you can style your closet the way you want, and this side is your balcony, which is once again the running balcony. It will be connected to the other room on the other side. Let's go have a look at it. Now the house is Vastu compliant, so it brings a lot of positivity, and it's a very good point. This is your humongous magnanimous bedroom once again. One side is your bed, the other side is your seating area, the attached balcony, your washroom. It has everything that a man needs to unwind after a hectic day. Your washroom is again very spacious. It has good fittings, good tiling work. You can keep it black themed also. Good lighting mirrors. It has window for cross ventilation. This is what a man works hard for. अगर जिंदगी में मेहनत कर रहा है कोई, अगर उस मुकाम तक पहुंच गया है, अगर क्लास डिफाइन करना है, Supreme Universal has done a great job right here. And now this is your balcony. This is where you are going to sit and have a beautiful time after you have enjoyed all the luxury in the rest part of the house. If you think the villa is over, my friend, it is not. Now I will take you to the beautiful terrace. That is the additional highlight of this extraordinary villa. Let's go have a quick view at that. I am here at the beautiful terrace that will give you 360-degree uninterrupted panoramic views of the beautiful mountain and the amazing amenities. You can have the view of the swimming pool. Just look at this, the mountain, the moon and the perfect breeze. The perfect combination that every man deserves. You know, I like the fact that they have put a really good concept right here to utilize the terrace space, that is a bar counter. You can also do that. You can put a lot of plantation, lounge chairs. When the space is enough, the creativity flows. The usable area of this 5 BHK is 4,700 square feet. So you have a lot of place to do the interiors, for the creativity. If you want to live at a place that feels like poetry in motion, that you have to choose Supreme Universal. Let me tell you that 4 BHK is starting at 2.65 CR and 5 BHK is starting at 3.95 CR. So for booking purposes, contact us on the details given below.